I
God.
was just seeing that no one has started recording yet. So okay, no problem. Let's start over again. Okay, so could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you so much for asking me. Yeah, as you know, my name is Nishi Sani and I belong to UP, but now I'm living in Faridabad. If I talk about my qualifications, so I have completed my MA and also B.Ed. Simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel, and definitely after 1 month, I will start and I will search out again.
Okay, okay. So you will going to start teaching again
Yeah,
in a school. Oh, that's
yeah.
good. That's good to hear about. And okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Ishu Goyal. I am from Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad. I had completed my Bachelor's of Education, and now I am pursuing my Master's of Education. Okay. So
Okay.
can we discuss over general topics? Should we discuss over general topics or any
Can
okay? So general conversation. Let's have a
yeah.
general conversation.
Simple question we can ask like you are doing education, okay? So why did you choose this field? Means education subject. Why did you choose, and what do you want to do in education? Means in this subject, and after
Okay.
that,
Okay.
masters. What will you do?
Okay, so yes, we can start these types of questions like about our channel journey and also our habits and health. Let's take health and habits as a topic for today. Okay, so
Okay.
okay, so firstly, let me ask you a question. So, what is the motive behind starting your channel, starting your YouTube journey?
Okay. So, last year, when I took decision that I will have to do something, means I wanted to learn myself, and so many people they are facing a lot. Like me, when I also faced many problems. So, they are also facing same problem. So I took decision and I started this channel. When I started this channel, at that time I uploaded word meaning related videos, okay? And I had a lot when I started, and also I learned many new vocabs. And after that I took and means when you take decision, so your ideas it's start to build up. And now after that I started to make the sentence small sentences, and I started some videos like related to tenses, models, many other things. It was related to grammar. And after that suddenly means promptly the idea came up in my mind, because I was doing means I was learning grammar, but something was missing with me. So and I took decision and I started to because I wanted to learn this language, means I want to be become fluent, and I want to be come in means fluency, that I when I meet to another person and I do not start to uh, struck, and I do not start to fumbling. So I start to upload and I start to m- meet the people, new people, and unknown they are unknown. And because I can remove my hesitation, so it is helping me. And I think people are they are also learning these things, that how can they remove their hesitation when we meet suddenly to new people and unknown people, they we are not aware to them.
Yeah, true. That's something very, you have mentioned very in a right manner that also we also learn with our co-learners. So this is a session for both of us. This is a very helpful and learning session for both of us and the viewers, those who will view this video. And moreover, let's discuss further on topic. So tell me about some health related habits you follow in your daily routine.
Actually, yeah, I am also health conscious. Means sometime I really try to health conscious because whenever I I look in mirror, so that yeah I'm feeling fatty. So I start to that, no, I will avoid these things, and I have to maintain diet like I think fatty is not a good word. Actually, I'm missing the word.
Obese, obese. We might get obese and look, we lose that body form we want.
Yeah.
So basically, and also, health. Your perspective is appreciated. And what my perspective for health is that we have two types of health. That is, first is physical health, that is our appearance to others, and the other is our mental health, that is only known to us. Okay, so we have to maintain both of the aspects, the physical health and the mental health we have to maintain. And on physical level, it's not, we just not to have stuck on this parameter, that we have to lose weight. But if we can also say a person physically fit if we can perform our daily actions, in a very proper way, and also, we are happy inside. If we are feeling good from inside, we are having that positive mindset. So it might be possible that a person who is obese or having a little bit, a person who is little bit healthy, might be very healthy in comparison to a thinner person, because, this matters a lot. I think on the base of our mental health, our physical health, itself builds up. So this is what my perspective towards health. And let's talk about few habits. Do you follow any sort of habit which help you a lot in your daily routine as you are married?
Yeah.
And
um,
not it also about married, but of course a single person also do follow some habits. So what habits you follow?
like I follow some rules and habits, like to watch some podcast. I follow these
Oh,
rules whenever, like sorry, I'm watching anything. Like I go to any Instagram ID and many other social media when I go to. So at that time I try to read anything, like this time I'm watching serial. So because I'm watching, I'm taking interest. And why I watch these things, because I want to relax my mind. And so at that time I always keep in my mind that means this time I'm watching in Hindi, but the subtitle it is going on in English. So at that time I always focus on my subtitle, that this time I will have to also learn these things. So it is my habits to learn this language, because so many words we usually use in our daily life. So why we I learn these things. I'm learning sentences, I'm new structures, word meaning. And yeah, whenever I go to on social media, so I don't have to read anything. So I start to read any topic, means I start to any article. So that was the in English, that I can learn other things. And whenever I get stuck, so I go on immediately I go on Google, and I search out whenever when I search out. So immediately I read other sentences, because I'm reading only one sentence, word meaning. But with the so many synonyms there are available. So at that time I read also, because I'm able to reading. I'm completing my reading, and also learning word meaning. And I am also enhancing my knowledge, that how can we make another sentences from the this word, how can we use. So 3 to 4 things I usually use it for learning this language, and it
okay.
is my habitual. And if I talk about my my like I'm also learning, means I'm also reading, I'm also completing my study. So whenever I get time, so I always utilize my time to completing my study, because I love to means I love to study. So I spend my
Okay, so
time.
these are the particular habits and steps you are following to learn this language, and that's
Yeah.
amazing. Reading, writing, learning, and listening. So these are the bases and these are the foundations to build up the grip over this English language. And
Yes.
okay, so that was an amazing session, I think. And you speak very well and you tried very well. I really appreciate it. And whenever we will also have a second session. So let's wind it up. Thank you for this opportunity. Do you like the session?
Yeah, I like the session, and really I meet you. And yesterday I think yesterday I was watching your video.
Yeah.
YouTube recommended your video. So I learned a lot when your patience level was good. And your I don't know the person who was I don't know the second person who was dead. That was the girl, and really
Okay.
you were elaborate very calmly and very nicely. So that
Oh,
time I messaged you. So, and thank you so much the for giving your precious time.
thanks. Thanks for your compliment, and I will really take this as an appreciation. So, would you like to upload this video, or can I upload this video on my channel?
Yeah, I will upload. Can we make
Okay.
another video if you want to? So we can make
Yeah.
another video.
Yeah, sure. Of course, we can have a second session also. That session I will upload on my channel. This session you can upload on your session after, I think, a lot of editing you have to do, but that's okay. This is our job. We have to do. And it was a nice meeting you. I hope you will get a very, a big opportunity in your future and you will do really very well. Okay, so let's sign it up. Thank you, Nishi. Thank you. Take care
Bye
and
bye.
all the very best. All the very best for your YouTube journey. Bye bye.
Bye bye.